Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of my previous video. I'm using the Olaplex 6 Bond Smooth and the number 7 the oil. I'm gonna mix it up both in between my palms, and I'm gonna apply in the ends of my hair. As you see, this is the sixth one. It has a creamy texture. You need very little. Since I don't have density, I'm gonna take very little. This is way too much. I've already taken. I'm gonna give 2 drops of the oil, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair using the Allen Troman blow dry brush. And this is my iconic wave maker. Like, it's the waver, the three triple tongue waver. I have been loving this mermaid waves recently, and it's been my favorite ever since I got this. Make sure you also use a heat protectant spray. I have not used here because I have used my Olaplex as a multi-purpose product. Otherwise, I would have used my Moroccan oil serum. I was out of it, so I had skipped it here, but please do not do that mistake. It's gonna break your hair, and your hair is gonna have a lot of split ends later on. So make sure you always apply a heat protectant. I'm Since it was not very clear in the beginning, I'm gonna show it again. I'm taking a small section of my hair, and I'm starting to press it there. Leave it for some seconds, a few seconds, 5 seconds maybe, and then move on the next one. As you move on, you'll get used to it. Like, it by itself creates that step by step waves. So it's gonna be really easy once you get the hook of it. And it was the way it looks, it gives me so much of volume to my hair, this whole look. And since I have very scanty and thin fine hair, this kind of looks like give me that volume and density to my hair. That's the finished look of my hair. See how voluminous on the side it is, and it makes me look more, this is more proportionate. I'll finish off both the sides and be right back. Here, this is the whole complete look. I just add a little bit of that number 7 drops from Olaplex and just applied it all over my flyaways. And yeah, that's about the hairstyle look. And as my look is complete, one thing is missing here, my lipstick. I'm gonna use my in the shade Amore from Huda Beauty. It's a gel-like consistency lipstick. It's beautiful. I totally forgot that it's a drugstore thing. I'm sorry. Bye, guys.